Hi guys, this is Young. This is #1 channel for drone enthusiasts. Sort of. So recently I've been getting some questions whether they should get Mavic Mini. My answer to them is yes, absolutely. So I thought about it and I thought I can really say 4 reasons why Mavic Mini is still the drone for 2020. And #1 reason is the quality of this drone. I have so many videos on Mavic Mini, so I don't even have to mention it, and I'm just gonna roll out the videos that you see now. I always film at 2.7K and most of the time render at 4K video in my video editor. All my outputs are YouTube, Instagram, or just on my 4K laptop. I'm satisfied with the result, and actually this being 2.7K, it really does not burden any of my hard drive, laptop storage, so this is easy on any of the gadgets that you already own. And second reason, it is travel friendly. It's super light, super small, long battery life, so you don't have to stress when you're taking videos at a place. The fact that it's relatively quiet, it really helps. You're not making too much nuisance, and the fact that it looks like a toy, nobody really cares. And third reason, I want to talk a little bit about drone as a hobby. Even I'm at the most enthusiastic end of the drone hobby spectrum. There are times that I don't actually touch my drone for 2 weeks to up to about a month. It is a very diligent activity when you think about it. So I'm thinking, why spend so much money, especially if you're only going to do it as a hobbyist? Then yes, don't spend too much money, go for something economical, which is Mavic Mini. Remember the expensive camera that you bought and are sitting on the shelf? Yes, don't let that happen to your drone. And the final reason why Mavic Mini is still good for 2020. Mavic Mini only came out in November 2019. And this year, all the rumors that we're hearing from DJI or even other serious competitors, it's more high-end consumer level drone market or professional level. DJI is the drone maker that you really want to go for. If you want to wait for Mavic Mini 2, that's not going to be this year. And drone regulations is getting more strict and strict and strict, and a lot of different sites will actually now have specific no drone zone sign. So you kind of want to start earlier than later. Yes, we might even get Mavic Air 2. I'm not sure, I'm not an insider. That's most likely to be double the price of Mavic Mini. I can tell you 100 more reasons why Mavic Mini in 2020 is still valid. And I'll be traveling with Mavic Mini, especially when this new coronavirus is gone. I do pray that things will get better. So I hope to come back with more videos from Mavic Mini, and I'll see you!